Alola, my wonderful subscribers, and welcome to an episode of Horrible Quality Cleaning! Today we're going to be learning about how to clean a kitchen. Now, as you may see here, our kitchen is a bit messed up. So, we are going to have to clean it. First, you want to pick stuff off the floor that may have fallen over in some sort of mysterious incident you certainly had nothing to do with. Silly chair on the ground. Now that the floor is cleared off, let's take care of stuff that I left on the table. Let me see. Close my laptop. Take that up. Got one of these things. You know what that means? We've got to cut it, so no poor sea animals get caught. Yeah. Alright, now it can be thrown away. Next I'll clean up my art stuff. Let's see. There. I need to worry about that. I'm gonna put the salt in the thing where we keep the seasonings. See, isn't that so much nicer? Now, it's time to clean the dishes. Now, you may have some already pre-cleaned dishes, so you'll want to put those up. But first, we need to wash our hands. Yeah. Now get the stuff in between the fingers. All that. Once your hands have been cleaned, now it is time for you to put the dishes where the dishes belong. Next, you'll want to clean your dishes. Just turn this on and take this and you get this wet and you pick up a dish, you rinse it off with this, but don't forget to turn that off while you're not using it. Got a pitcher of water, good for the environment. Get this soap. Yeah. Just a moment, guys. Alright. So, now you got your soapy towel. And you take your dish. And you just rub that towel all over the dish until the dish no longer has any dirt and such on it, see? And gotta rinse the dish off because you can't eat something while there's soap on it. That's bad for you. Gotta rinse the soap off. Good. Put it here. Put back later. Alright? Rinse and repeat. Be back soon. So, as you can see, I've cleaned up a lot of the mess. Here are the clean dishes ready to be dried off and put away. But I realized that I'd left some stuff over here. So, I'll take it back over here to be washed. Oh, just so you know, I'll use that bowl to eat rice and cheese. It's really good. You should try it sometime, unless you're lactose intolerant, in which case, don't do that. But you see, cheese is really hard to clean off of things. So, put some soapy water inside of your bowl or on your plate or whatever. Keep it fresh so the cheese will be easier to clean off whenever you clean it. Because, I mean, you're not going to clean it right when you're done with it. Who would do that? Alrighty then, I have completed the dishwashing. The dishes are washed. Gonna let these dry a bit off. Next we have to clear off these counters. First, you gotta take off things that you don't just wipe off. This twisty thing probably has something. I'll figure that out later. And then this pencil. Alright, so, what we're gonna do, I usually use same towel I use for washing dishes. Gotta rinse it out really good. Smell. Make sure all the water you can get out. So, now it's dry. And you can use it to wipe off counters. See? Wipe that off, all the water you got from washing. Wipe off the counters. That. And of course, once you've finished wiping off the counters, put your towel back where it belongs. And begin sweeping. First, you need the broom, dustpan, and then you begin sweeping. Now, when you sweep, it's important to remember that you can't just drag it all into one spot. You gotta do it in strokes, making sure you're getting up all the trash that's collecting from under here. Gotta keep it clean. Put it all in front of your, just whatever that's called. And once you've collected enough, you sweep it in. Easy as that. Alright, now that I've got all this stuff into the dustpan, finally remembered what it's called, gotta put that in the trash can, and then got to put your stuff back. Put this here, and now look at that. The kitchen is cleaner already. But don't forget, you must check over and see if you missed anything. See? This. What is this? I don't think I've ever seen it before, but it probably needs to be cleaned. So, I'm going to clean it. Also, miscellaneous tasks. This is a table extension thing that my mom asked me to clean, so I will. See, you have to be sure to remember what your parents tell you to do. Otherwise, you might get in trouble. Rightfully so. They did ask you to do that. And there you go, my wonderful subscribers. I have cleaned my kitchen. Now, there's no more cleaning for me to do today. Time to relax in my room.